Today on Unpacked. We're digging into another apparel brand, and this is another one that was recommended. A brand that says they're all about sustainability, from their clothes to their packaging. And so this brand is called Toad & Co. Every day is an adventure. This is what we received. It's pretty robust. We actually heard about this brand and went to look at them because they talk about reusable shippers, and we wanted to get one of their reusable shippers and see what it was like. However, they didn't have any available, so they obviously sent us a paperboard or a paper shipper. But they talk about they're using a lime loop as the supporter. I'm not familiar with those guys, of reusable, returnable packaging. And yeah, would have loved to check that out. This is what came. They've done some fun stuff. So as a brand here, let's see. This is more than a bag. It's a practical portfolio. It's a clever clutch. It's a savvy sun visor. It's a wicked wildlife stencil. It's a gaggle of groovy glasses. Yeah, they've got some recycling instructions and stuff online. This actually came, it must have gotten open at some point, and it's not the most robust adhesive. So there's a piece of tape that says received in damaged condition. So it probably popped open in transit, and the postal service taped it shut for us. Isn't that nice of them? All right, so what is in here is a large sweater. I don't know what they ordered. And a piece of paper that has a bunch of information around their sustainability, their causes. They actually talk a lot about fabrics and apparel, textiles. And there's a lot of sustainability concerns and issues around textiles, the way that they're produced, dyed, the amount of waste that comes out of trimming fabrics, all that kind of stuff. Outside of the context of this Unpacked channel, but it's great to see when brands are thinking about the materials that are ordered, the sustainable sources, the way that these products are maybe dyed or cut. 100% certified organic cotton. Yeah, it's great to see some of that stuff, but otherwise that's just really a product slip. So it's in a large poly bag here. All right. I always look for something that's a little unique in a brand, and this brand, our guarantee, if you don't get a compliment within 3 wearings, or if you find something wrong with your Toad & Co. garment, we'll take it back and make it right. Just drop us a line. I think that's super clever. I like that they did that. They also have some other claims on here, designed for good. They're donating a portion of all the proceeds to people with disabilities. Love it. And then they're talking about eco-friendliness, and this bag doesn't really say on it. It's likely a low density polyethylene bag that would be store drop off. But let's just take a look at any other labels or claims that they're making here. Save the planet, go nude. The apparel industry pollutes. The solution: go sustainable or go nude. Probably 100% of our products are eco-friendly. I like what they're doing. I don't, eco-friendly. It's such a huge ball of wax. And there's a lot of greenwashing that's happening there, and something that might look more sustainable is actually more damaging. But I like when a brand is actually intentional about its decisions, and I hope they were. This poly bag is probably the only thing that I wish it would have talked about, at least store drop-off recyclability or something on there. Give this bag another task. It's great for cleaning up after your dog. Mind the vent hole. If I need this bag to clean up after my dog, I need a bigger dog. But yeah, would have loved to seen the reusable option here and been able to evaluate it, but it wasn't an option this time. So anyways, if you have any other ideas on stuff we should unpack or products and brands we should take a look at, shoot us a comment in the comments below. A note, a comment, a thing in the comments below. And we would love to check it out. That's all.